The clouds are heavy, but I feel light. Dancing in puddles, everything's alright. The rain may fall, but I won't hide. With every drop, I feel alive. The world is great, but my heart's aglow. With every beat, let the good vibes flow. Electric colors in a sea of gray. We'll turn this rainy day into a holiday. So let the thunder roll, let the lightning strike. We'll find our rhythm, we'll dance all night. With every splash, we'll laugh and play. More in our hearts, come what may. Rainy day, we'll celebrate. Under the clouds, we'll elevate. Feel the joy, let the music play. On this rainy day, we'll find our way. Dance, dance, don't be afraid. In the rain, our worries fade. Let the rhythm guide your feet. On this rainy day, life is sweet. Umbrellas up, but we're feeling free. Jumping in puddles, just you and me. The storm may roll, but we're in our zone. With every beat, we're never alone. So let the raindrops fall like confetti. In this moment, we're feeling ready. With every heartbeat, we're rising high. In the face of clouds, we'll touch the sky. Rainy day, we'll celebrate. Under the clouds, we'll elevate. Feel the joy,